Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you what the common problem is with these 4-in-1 38 volt hedge cutter, strimmer, long reach chainsaw, etc. So first of all I'm just taking off the 14 Phillips screws which are running all down the casing. Quite easy, just take it off. Now that's done, the case is popped. It's just held on by some wires from that battery terminal, which I'll show you in a minute. So a little bit fiddly. Very bad design machine. Should be taken out. Shouldn't be selling them. Right, here we are, we're in it now. That's what I was trying to get off gently. So there we are, there's the culprit. Motor's gone. There's a shaft which runs all the way down the machine through the handlebars. Basically it takes out the motor. That's the gearbox. There's the drive shaft. That's the bearing. Then that drive shaft rod gets bent. Then it must send vibrations down the shaft, which takes out the motor. That's basically what the problem is. I've had 4 of these now, exact same problem on each one. So it's hard to see on camera, but there's a few metal filings in there as well. So that's not good at all. 3-month-old machine. You'd expect a bit better than that, wouldn't you? There's the sort of like the control unit, which the switch for the handlebars is connected to, and the battery itself goes through that, and that's what feeds the motor. So yeah, just basically runs all the way down there. That's connected to like a little micro switch for the safety handle here. All that looks pretty good. But like I said, the common problem is that shaft bending and taking out that motor. Not good at all. There we are, it's all boxed up now, and it's going back to Einhell